Okay then. That's okay, not okay. Okay. Right, this handle. Basically a circle squashed, isn't it, again? So we shall fingers, it should D, D. Again, Pokemon. F2, this is input handle, I guess. Right, I've moved that and I bet you it's in the wrong place. Ooh, not a bad guess. Why does that look like it's above? I suppose the handle's coming up out of it, isn't it? So, yes, right. Bit of a gap. Nope, I'm happy with that. With GG, slide that within Alt and slide it back the other way. So one all extrude. Then from it, is it remove or add? Same, right. Invert. Quite a snort. Derision. Turn off for a sec. So the usual. Inset. And turn off boundary. Do that. Saying that. Laughing as we go. Alright, so I'm going to scale that slightly. Alright, so this now. Seems a little long, really, doesn't it? Look global. Won't tell us it's crashed. No, it doesn't. Which one after that one? Nope, wrong one. No. Hang on. About if slide that down there like that, making sure it sticks with the guide. 3 back to normals. Extrude. Scale. Right, I think that will be the handle now. So let's do that out. Right, that'll do me. So another extrude. 3. Extrude. Don't think it's high enough up, is it? Not been any more awkward. It's just them ones that say them up first. Then grab them. Right, that worked. That's better. Right, it looks like the handle curves back out again. So we'll cut through there. Highlight them. And the Z anyway. So PG, it's that handle. Lovely. What I'll do is nowadays any other day that would work perfectly fine. Down a bit. Oh, is this going to be a keyhole? It is. Yeah, that's okay. This may work better than I expected. Actually, where's the other keyhole for a size? Insert. Wiggle. Fit inside. Scale Y, just to give that a bit more space. Scale Y again. Right, 3. Let's drop a 1 on there. 2. Put that back to 0. 3 again. And do an extrude. Knock that down just a little bit. Scale. Right, insert. Now what we've got to worry about is that the same size keyhole as that one, yes. So eyeball it. Right, and do an extrude. Blue line appears and just knock that back there. Plus and a 1. And put on Autosmith again. And anywhere it destroys like that, just knock that up. Oh, I think it needs GG. Oh, that's a nice quick one, wasn't it? And luckily, all the rest of this is chrome. Again, see how that fills in. So just chuck in a control R there. And again, missed that. Okay, nice short one, that one. 10 minutes. Control S. Just had a thought. Just thinking whether this fuel gap is big enough. It's clearly taller. Of course, it's a circle, but you know what I mean. Let's bring that around the curve. It's possibly that gap there. It's about halfway down. And that's clearly not halfway down, is it? In fact, is it a bit high as well? What am I clicking on here, man? There we go. Ooh, what a do? You know, I've just noticed something else. There's another line here, isn't there? Right, let's do this guy first, as usual. Actually, before we do that, go into there, turn that off. Alright. Can I remember where that was now? So, alright. Right, so it's that line, right? Of course. I think if you already have that, just this, I think, needs to. What is going on with the lag? Put that global. Really deal with these images on the other screen. Right, so it comes up into there, and then the line at the bottom of the window, which will be array there. So does this need to slide left a little bit? Oh, I think so. But that's that one, isn't it? Just because I changed screen, I missed. I changed selection. That was well done. Yeah, it's like there's another cut through there. And this goes left a little bit. Why is it lagging? And put another one in there. What is? You know why? Because that's not the only one that's got the shrink wrap on. 3. We'll have to do a Alt H. Yes, I forgot again which one it was. Alt H. Thank you. Where did I just put that? Hey, seriously. Oh, wrong one. That one. Escape. Right, so oh, mind blank. Highlight them too. Just hide all of those with the body selected. That's update for now. Is it this one here that needs to go back? Ah. Hmm. Oh, I'm so confused. What? Major confusion going on? So is that line in there? No. Would that be right there now? I think it would. Is that not going to stuff that corner up there? Yeah. That's because the guy doesn't have the subdate on. Ouch. And then after all of that to show, good, right. Wow. Right, fuel cap. Oh my. If we want to scale it around this on normal. And there you go. Right, so it needs to be in the center. No, right. Shift S. Cursor 2 selected all. 3D cursor. Right. So do a scale, but we don't want Z. Scrub it over a bit. Whatever scrub it over a bit means. Stop it. Right, I want to snap them to the face, but not onto self. Line it up. In fact, I'm going to slide them over like that. G. Snap. Right. That look better with a bigger one. Feeling something on the back is chrome. Thought so. Right, plus. Oh, wrong one. That one. Sign the black plastic. Here we go. Scale that out a bit, I think. It just doesn't seem quite right. Right, on that travesty of a video, I think we shall save that one. And just go to the next one, start again, because that was quite a bit to cut out. Ugh. Great start. Get to the next one.